Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get $300 worth of TEMU coupon and TEMU spin. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. Without all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so you can do it either on the TEMU app on your Android or iOS or on your Android or iPhone device. However, I'm just going to do it on the desktop version of TEMU because you can also do this on your laptop or computer device. The steps are going to be the same on the desktop version of the website. So I'm just going to search for, actually I'm just going to go to Google and then I'm just going to search for TEMU here like this, and then I'm just going to click on the first link. And here you just have to click on the three dots, like three lines in the top right corner, and you just have to pass the security verification, and then it will show you a TEMU spin. So if you win the spin, you will get $100 coupon that you can use to purchase items of TEMU. So you can do this every day, and within a week you will earn $300 worth of coupon or more within a week very easily. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.